It's Leonardo AI. I created baby version AI art of Ant-Man, Spider-Man and Iron Man. So first let's see Ant-Man. Uh, we have written a prompt here about what kind of image we are looking for. Notice these words, please. Select photography, alchemy. So here is the image of cute miniature art of Ant-Man. Uh, Simple, big head. This is so cute. Here you write Spider-Man instead of Ant-Man. Do not change anything else, any words, and generate. So you look at this image. This is cute miniature art of Spider-Man. Everything is cute. Write Iron Man instead of Spider-Man and no words change. And then generate. So miniature Iron Man also have arrived, and that's how we make Iron Man art most impressive image of the day.